No braider, no problem. I got you. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. XOXO Shiba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. If you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So I have a braided wig from Braids Queen Hair. As you can see here, I haven't had a human hair company send me a braided wig yet, so this will be my first one. But I haven't done a braided wig at all, and I think the last time I did one was like 2018, and that was a synthetic one. So I'm excited to try this one out to see how that blends and what this looks like. So as you can see, they put it in a style for you. I'm gonna put it on in the style because it's made to wear in the style. I see, like, it's braided up over here, so I don't think you can take it down. I think it's meant to be the way that it is. So the color they sent me is in 1B30T, and if you can see that, it's got like hues of black in it mixed with the kind of like a forest color. So yeah, so you can see it's got that, you know, that 1B30 look. Part of me wants to take it down and see what's going on. Part of me wants to I'm gonna try both ways for y'all. We're gonna see, like, can it be done in other ways, because you see that it's braided upwards, so I just don't know, but we gonna find out. I just put it on. This is the inside of the cap. A lot of lace space, so this should lay really flat. I'm excited. It's got an elastic band, so you can do it glueless. Does it have combs? It does have combs, but it's not in the lace. It's in the back of the lace. And there's also a comb in the back too, and it still has adjustable straps. Oh, and it also does come with baby hair kind of already out, because, you know, if they braid it in, then you can't use it, which I actually appreciate when it comes to braided wigs, because the last one I had to, like, force my own baby hairs out of the braid. Also, you can check that lace there. That is a brown lace. I don't know if it's light or medium for them, but it is a brown lace. Okay, so this is not too big head friendly. I can tell you that right now. Here, I might have to do something different with my hair, even though there really wasn't much going on with it. It's pretty flat. Yeah, this isn't seeming like it's gonna come up far enough, so see what I have to do here. It's cute though. It's cute. I'm gonna try bobby pinning it kind of like upwards instead of in a ponytail. See if that helps me lay my hair flatter. So that feels a little bit better, but I am gonna need to slide that back just a little bit. I ain't got enough forehead for that to be pulled up this far. I'm not gonna cover my edges anyway. Let me just place it how I want it. Slide that all the way back, because sis ain't got enough room. I would consider this beginner friendly because you don't really have to style much with this. Like, I'm gonna lay this for free spray, and it's not gonna be that hard. Hopefully. I'm speaking before we finish.
Tell me what can I do, but you don't feel like I do. Baby, in time, baby, I know you're fine. Tell me what can I do? Yeah. But I gotta be strong. But I gotta be strong. But I gotta be strong. I thought we were now. Now you say you want me, girl. Now you say you want me, girl. Now you say you want me, girl. You want my love, baby. Girl, you got me twisted over you. I got what you need right here, baby. You got me twisted, thinking about the way that things used to be. When it was you and me, girl, I was so free. See, you had my heart from the start like Cupid, and I was just downright foolish and stupid. But now I know the reason for the pain and the headaches. You left me all alone, now I can't even concentrate. I guess I'll wait for the day until you come back, because my heart is where your love is at. You got me twisted. Baby, I love you so. Tell me what can I do, but you don't feel like I do. Baby, in time, baby, I know you're fine. Tell me what can I do? Yeah. But I gotta be strong. But I gotta be strong. But I gotta be strong. I thought we were now. Now you say you want me, girl. Now you say you want me, girl. Now you say you want me, girl. I'm not gonna be you know you want my love, baby. Girl, you got me twisted over you. I got what you need right here, baby.
Okay, much better. So I like this unit. I've been waiting on a braided wig to come my way. I'm kind of over my old one because it's old, but I've been waiting for a new one to come my way. Oh my gosh, I never get a chance to wear braids like this anymore because I'm always doing wig reviews. You can't fit this under a wig. So I'm so happy that they sent this unit to me. I was skeptical about them sending it to me in this color because in the picture they sent me, it looked like it was just like the color 4, like it didn't really have the specs of the 1B in it. But I think with that tone of the 1B being in the hair, it works on me because I wasn't sure, like just plain old 4 don't necessarily always work on my skin tone. Like it kind of like it just doesn't go. What I would do different, and I'm gonna tell you guys just like right now, I would definitely probably I would have braided my hair down like super flat like I used to do before I got a relaxer. I would do that with this, and so it lays like super flat because you know it's a braided wig, so you want it to look as flat as you possibly can because it's supposed to look like it's attached to your scalp. And don't get me wrong, it don't look bad like this, but I'm just saying if you want that flawless, you know, unclockable install, definitely get the skinniest braids that you can get on your head for the foundation. And I would say do a bald cap with this unit. I have on a black wig cap and I had to brighten up like all the parts with powdered concealer in order to brighten that back up. So this is one I would say if you're gonna wear it, do a bald cap. I would definitely say this is beginner friendly because this was not hard to install at all. I literally it was as easy as installing like a synthetic lace part wig. Like I literally just sprayed it down, put this on. The hardest part was the baby hair because you know you can't just push back the hairs that you want. I had to literally cut them out, the ones that I wasn't going to use. I tried to pluck it a little bit, but it kept pulling my wig up doing that. So I was just like, okay, we just gonna cut them out. Like we're not even gonna do all this. I was so worried about these sides because they are not fully covered, but I was able to make it, you know, work for the most part. It still blends in because, again, that 1B is in the color of this hair, so it still blends in with my hair. And especially with the baby hair, like that definitely helped me camouflage that it doesn't fully cover my edges. It covered my edges more than I thought it was going to, but it is still a little bit out. But like I said, you know, I was able to camouflage that a little bit. So I already said this before, but definitely I would consider this not too big head friendly. Not enough to where it wouldn't work for me or that it would stop me from getting this unit because it doesn't really bother me. But, you know, just so you know, in case it bothers you, it's really up to you. The lace on this unit was really easy for me to blend because, you know, it was already brown lace. So I didn't have to really go ham trying to like blend it in and, you know, all that stuff I have to do with transparent. It's a very full unit. They didn't skip out on you in the back. You know, sometimes they be doing it weird inside the cap of the wig, but no, they didn't like make it a whole bunch of thick braids. Like you got full braidage in the back. I just think this is so cute. I will definitely be rocking this over the summer. This might be the new living room look. I don't know, y'all. Let's see what it looks like if you take this out. It was already trying to come out on me while I was trying to install the rest of the wig. So let's see what's popping. I feel like I'm gonna regret this. So what you could do, I'm not gonna do it right now, but you could probably dip this in some hot water to kind of get the braids straight like the rest of the hair is. But I think this would be a cute one with like the half up, half down. Like, you know, like a half up, half down. Uh-oh, I might have did something. Okay, versatility. Hopefully I can put this back the way I had it though, because I still gotta take these pictures. Oh, the other thing that I would have did too was dust this unit or spray it or tint it or something under the wig cap first, and then maybe I wouldn't have had to put the powder and stuff on top of doing the bald cap with it. Yeah, I would have did this from the inside instead of trying to get into each part, but that's just to make it easier. You could have did it either way. Shout out to Braids Queen Hair for sending this to me. It'll be linked down below in the description box. No braider, no problem. I got you. You see it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.